What's up guys, Matthew Moniz here, and right in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I have to say I am pretty impressed with my first initial impressions. Now here's the thing, every smartphone you used in 2017 was missing one main feature, whether it be the headphone jack, maybe it didn't wirelessly charge, maybe it didn't have water resistance, or the camera experience wasn't the best. Everyone who's used this phone or reviewed this phone so far is saying, it's just a small upgrade, just a tiny upgrade from the S8, but I think this is the biggest upgrade out of any Android phone that's ever been on the market. This is the first time that I can truly say I have everything that I want in a smartphone. There's a headphone jack, which you don't get anymore. It's water resistant, wireless charging, fast charging. You have fast wireless charging. It has a micro SD card slot, so you have expandable storage. The design is even significantly better. They were able to take a beautiful design and even reduce the screen to body ratio. The screen to body ratio on this device is actually better than the iPhone X, all while retaining the headphone jack and all while retaining a notchless design. But the biggest complaint I had about last year's model was the fingerprint scanner placement, and this year they solved that issue by putting it in a correct spot. It is so easy to get to it. I have the Galaxy Note 8 over here, and I stopped using this phone because I found it very awkward to get to the fingerprint scanner. I had to do these weird contortion acts to get my finger to the top point. Now I can simply just take my finger, place it on the back, and log right in. Samsung is truly listening to their consumers. This is not a paid ad, they're not paying me to say this. I'm just really impressed with this product. Usually I have something bad to say about Samsung phones, whether it's the software, the experience, but this time I'm completely happy. Now, unfortunately, Bixby's still there, but it is a little bit better. You do have some heavy theming, but the phone itself runs very, very smooth. The S9 Plus has 6 gigabytes of RAM, and I've used the Note 8, and it still flies to this day. I'm a little worried about the regular Galaxy S9 that only comes with 4. The last year's Galaxy S8 did start to slow down after a few months of use, so that's my only main concern for the smaller model. But the bigger version is absolutely awesome. 6 gigabytes of RAM, you have the new dual cameras, which has fantastic features like slow-mo, 960 frames per second, even though Sony did it first. You have all these great features you'd want in a camera. I don't really care about AR emoji, it's not really my thing, but some of you might like to have fun with it. So if that's your thing, you have that option now. And the Snapdragon 845 as a chipset is a very solid one, offering you great LTE connectivity services, fast performance, and even doing simple things like browsing the internet is going to be a lot faster on the Snapdragon 845 when it comes to latency compared to last year's Snapdragon 835, even if you have the same connection speeds to the internet. Here's the bottom line. This is the first Android device that I've used in a very long time that I feel is the perfect smartphone. It really has everything you can think of, from a micro SD card slot, dual SIM, a headphone jack, dual speakers which actually sound great, wireless charging, fast charging, water resistant, running the latest version of Android 8.0. It doesn't lag, at least from my initial use. Dual cameras, great battery life with a 3500 milliamp battery. It truly is possibly the perfect smartphone of 2018. So if you like this video, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And as always, I will talk to you in the next video.